In this video, I am going to solve this trig integral. It is integral tangent x to the power 5 times secant x to the power 7 dx. To solve this integral, we just need to kind of manipulate these tangent and secant terms. So tangent 5x, secant to the power 7x, okay, that I could rewrite as tangent square x whole square, which is tangent x to the power 4, then secant x to the power 6 times secant x times tangent x. Now I could simplify it further. We know that secant square of x is equal to 1 plus tangent square of x. So if I solve for tangent square of x, it gives me secant square of x minus 1. So this is going to be secant square of x minus 1 instead of tangent square. So I'm going to square this times secant to the power 6x times secant x times tangent x. That further could be simplified to secant to the power 4x minus 2 secant square of x plus 1 times secant to the power 6x times secant x tangent x. This further simplifies to secant to the power 10x minus 2 secant to the power 4, then x plus, actually this is secant to the power 8, plus secant to the power 6x. All of this multiplied by secant of x times tangent of x. Now the integral in essence becomes the following. So integral tangent x to the power 5 times secant x to the power 7 dx becomes the integral of this. So that is going to be integral secant to the power 10 x minus 2 secant to the power 8 plus secant to the power 6 x secant x times tangent x dx. Now we are going to make a u substitution. Let's say u is equal to secant of x, then du over dx is secant x times tangent x. That tells me du is equal to secant x tangent x dx. This, by the way, is the same as this. So if I do the u substitution, the right side of the integral, so the right hand side, this becomes integral u to the power 10 minus 2 u to the power 8 plus u to the power 6 du. If I do the simplification, it's going to be u to the power 11 over 11 minus 2 times u to the power 9 over 9 plus u to the power 7 over 7 plus some arbitrary constant c. Now I can go ahead and simplify it and plug in the secant of x for u. Then I will have integral tangent x to the power 5 secant x to the power 7 dx is equal to secant x to the power 11 over 11 minus 2 over 9 secant x to the power 8 plus secant x to the power 7 over 7 plus the arbitrary constant c. And that is your final answer. This is the integral that we have been looking for. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.